Friends, today I will explain you question number 10 of exercise 15.1 from the probability chapter. Question number 10 of exercise 15.1. Question is there: a piggy bank contains 150 paise coins. 150 paise coins. So 50 paise coins are that are 100. Then after it is saying 50 rupees 1 coins. So rupee 1 coins.
Good morning, sir.
That is 50. And then after rupees 2 coins are 20. Rupees 2 coins are 20. And rupees 5 coins is 10. So 50 paise coins are 100, rupees 1 coins are 50, and rupees 2 coins are 20, and rupees 5 coins are 10. Then total number of coins, that is 180. So total number of coins, that is 180. Now question is saying, what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paise coin? Will be a 50 paise coin. $50 coins. You will see that, students, 50 paise coins are 100. So what is the probability? Means favorable outcomes, and out of total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So favorable outcomes, question is saying that 50 paise coins, so 50 paise coins are what? 100. So 100 out of 180. That will be 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. 5 by 9. Your answer will be 5 by 9. This is the first part. Will be a 50 paise coins, so that will not be a rupees 5 coins. Will not be rupees 5 coins. 5 coins are what? 10. Not be, so that means these all three are there. Not be rupees 5 coins. So that time the P, probability of that event, will be remaining of that 180 minus 10. 180 minus 10 and divide by whole coins 180. So that will be 170 upon 180. So 17 upon 18. That is the answer. So this way we will solve the question. So we will see the statement of the question and then after do it. Now see the next question. This was the question number 10. Now see the next question, that is question number 13. A die is thrown once, find the probability of getting a prime number. Find the probability that a prime number. You know, when the die has been thrown, then we are getting the 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These number of dots are there in the cubical faces. That the die is there in the cubical shape on their faces. Their outcome, these outcomes are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now question is saying a prime number. So prime number is what? 2, 3 and 5. So 3 prime numbers, and out of total outcome 3 by 6. So therefore their probability will be what? 1 by 2. Second part, that is the number lying between 2 and 6. So between 2 and 6, which are there? 3, 4, 5. So between 2 and 6, that will be 3, 4, 5. Then again the 3 numbers are there. So 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. Again answer will be what? 1 by 2. This will be also 1 by 2. Now third part, it is saying and odd number. So and odd numbers are there. 1 is the odd number, 3 is the odd number, and the 5 is the odd number. 3 out of 6. Again the 1 by 2 is the answer. You will see according to question everywhere where the word 1 by 2 answer is coming, but the conditions are different. Okay. In this way we will solve this question. Then after we will solve the question number 14. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Well shuffled deck of 52 cards means what? Total number of playing cards are 52 and that are mixed up properly. Okay, that mixing has been done properly. That is the meaning of the well shuffled deck of the cards. Question 15. Now question is saying that find the probability of getting a king of red color. You know the students, red color, heart and the diamond is there, and there one king is there in each variety. So 2 kings are there. So 2 kings out of 52. That will be 1 by 26. Now second, a face card. So face card are in every variety what? 3 cards are there, and total what? 13 are there. So 3 4s are 12, and 12 and 13 4s are 52. So 4 3s are 12 and 4 13. Out of 13 cards, 3 are the face cards. So face card probability will be what? 3 out of 13. Now next, red face card. Again the red face card means what? 3 of the heart and 3 will be of heart and the diamond. 3 will be diamond. So 6 face cards are of the red color. 6 out of 52. Then this will be 2 3s are 6 and 2 26. Means 3 out of 26. Now fourth, the jack of hearts. So jack of hearts means in hearts only one jack will be there. 1 out of 52. Fifth, a spade cards are total in the deck of the card 52 cards, 13 are there. So 13 out of 52, 1 by 4. And the last one, the queen of diamond. So diamond in that queen is only 1 out of 50. In this way we have to give the answer. Okay. So we have to write here the formula, probability of that event whatever it is there, then of the favorable outcome of our total number of outcome. In this way we have to solve. Now the question number 15. 5 cards, the 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked up random. What is the probability that the card is the queen? In that, students, that cards out of 52 cards, these 5 cards have been taken out. The 10, jack, queen, king and ace. These are the diamonds. From the diamonds, these 5 cards have been taken out. Now the total number of cards are not 52. Now the total number of cards are what? That are 5. So first case it is saying, what is the probability that the card is queen? So there the 5 total number of cards are what? 5. The queen is what? Only 1. So 1 out of 5. That will be your answer. Second, the queen is drawn and put aside. Now the queen has been removed from there. Then how many cards are remain? 4. 4 cards are there. And what is the probability that the NS what will be? Because S is the only one and out of 4 queen is removed, 1 by 4. B part, a queen. So now in the 4 card 10 J K A, queen is not there, queen is removed already. So that will be 0 by 4 or 0. That probability will be 0. In this way we have to give the answer. Okay. So this was the question number 15. 5 cards. So there you will be not confused. Not take the 52 cards. You have to take the what? You have to take the only 5 cards. Okay, students. Thank you.